In the previous video, I explained the process of creating Azure DevOps organization. Via this video, we'll go and understand how we can create a Azure DevOps project under Azure DevOps organization. After creating Azure DevOps project only, we can use Azure DevOps services such as Azure boards, Azure repos, pipelines, test plans, and artifacts. So first we'll create a Azure DevOps project, and then I'll show you how the Azure DevOps project will look like after the creation. Once after creating Azure DevOps project, in our next video, I'll explain how we can connect Azure Active Directory to Azure DevOps organization. Now I'm in the Azure DevOps portal. Here you can see the organization that we created in the previous video, that is CloudLearnerPro 001. So under this, if you want to create extra organizations, you can click on new organization and you can create the organization that you require. If you want to create projects under your organization, this is the page where you can create your projects. Since this is a fresh organization where we don't have any projects created yet, this is the page, or this is a view of your organization that you'll get when you log into your organization for the very first time. Now I'm going to provide a project name here. I'm saying the project name as DevOps 1, and I'm giving the description as test project under my org. And you can see the visibility here. Visibility here by defaultly it's selected as private. It is not giving me option to select public here because we are using Azure DevOps free trial subscription or free trial version. So in that free trial version, you will not be eligible for public visibility. You are only eligible for private visibility of your Azure DevOps projects. And you have one more option, that is advanced. Here you can see the version control, like whether you want to select Git or Teams Foundation version control. And you have work item process, which is basic, Scrum, CMMI, and Agile. So if you are not looking to click on any advanced options, you can just hide this advanced option, and you can click on this create project button to create your project. So I'm going to click on create project. You can see the project is getting created right now. So within few seconds or minutes, your project will be created, and this is how the project will look like. Here you can see the project name DevOps-1, and you can see the basic options: overview, summary, dashboard, and wiki, under which we can see our Azure DevOps services such as Azure boards. Here you can create work items, tasks from backlogs, etc. And then we have Azure repos. So Azure repos is like a Git repository where you can upload the files, you can create branches, you can commit the files, you can commit your code, you can push your code, you can pull your code, and you can perform multiple things here. And then we have pipelines where you can build your pipelines and perform the deployments. You can also plan some test plans here using test plans. You can get your results of your test plans into artifacts by using this artifacts option. So these are the services that we have under Azure projects. I'll create separate videos for each and individual service in our upcoming videos. So if you want to create one more project under this DevOps organization, I can click on this organization. Here I can click on new project. I'll provide the project name test project. I'll give the description as test project in my org, and then visibility, as I explained already, we can only choose private visibility here, and I'll click on create button. So it is also creating my Azure DevOps project. So DevOps project will be created very quickly. And if I come back to my organization page, here I can see how many projects that are created under my organization. So this is very simple video about Azure project creation under the Azure organization. So when you're performing this lab, if you're finding any errors, if you're finding any challenges, you can update your issues, or you can update your queries in the video comment section. I'll definitely go through the comments and I'll reply back to your comments as well.